Okay guys, it's your boy Cubby, and in today's video, we're going to be doing like a president's game. So basically, I'm the president. I have a bodyguard right here. You should know him for Timmy. He's going to protect me. So I have 3 lives. I have 2 lives. He has 3 lives. So if we kill him 3 times, I win. If he kills me 2 times, I'll win. Wait, he wins? If he kills me 2 times, he wins. But the bodyguard, like, if you kill him, it doesn't matter. Because he's just there to protect me. I can't kill. Only my bodyguards can. I can't, like, hold weapons or nothing. So I'm just, like, there watching. Get protected. Alright, so.
Wait, can you, like,
bear
give
with
weapons
me.
to your bodyguards, though?
But, guys,
yeah,
also,
your bodyguards.
We changed our name. I'm Rex, and he's Cubby.
Yeah, so basically, I'm going to go hide somewhere, and I have a teleport ball with him in it, so I'm just going to teleport him there. Then as soon as I tell him, he's
like
gonna
this
come
big
me.
YouTuber
Right, so,
told us like to change our names.
Yeah, so, bear with me while I go hide. Alright, guys, we are now in our spots. Okay, you can come find us whenever you're ready. Alright, I got this grappler for you.
I think he knows we're in the mountains.
I didn't know you
I already
had
got one.
Alright, just
So
he's coming right for us.
he knows we're here. He knows we're here. Don't use your grappler.
I guarantee
Don't
he's
use
got
the grappler.
it. Oh, by the way, tablets are against the rules. You can't use tablets. Only the president can.
I see him.
I saw him. You gotta protect me. You gotta
Go. Yeah, go up the go to the skyscraper. Go to the skyscraper.
What skyscraper?
Go. We need to get the flat area so I can get my guns out.
Don't use the grappler. He can hear it.
He already sees us. Go.
You better run.
No, please.
How about you tell your bodyguard that to do something? Hey, bro, are you in channel 5? You need to go to channel 0. Bro, you need to be in channel 0.
Where is he? I have a bunch of weapons.
Bro, your bodyguard ain't even in channel 0. He's in channel 5.
Yes, he is. He's in channel 0 now.
Bro, why'd you leave me? I'm supposed to be protected.
Well, like he is now.
So they go on top.
Help me! Help me! I'm about to die! No! He's killing me! He's killing me!
Oh, run!
No!
Run! Escape!
No!
I'm ready.
Die! Your bodyguard's dead!
No!
No! Oh, and no going and save somebody.
Oh crap. Help me, please!
Where is he?
He was following me.
Stay near me.
Ah!
Okay, phew. Okay, he died 1 time.
How much
he
ammo
has
does
2
he
more.
have?
Alright, let's go. You can't take his ammo. Alright, yeah, that's fine. Come on, run.
No taking loot.
He didn't know he couldn't take it. He's coming for me.
For your concern, I have like 15 pieces of ammo. If you die from a landmine,
Who's the? Who died?
But guys, the president only has 1 life.
Yeah.
Get up in the vet secret shop.
Wait, why are you on channel 0?
I don't know. Wait, what channel do we go to?
No, he's supposed to be in channel 5. Help me, help me. He's coming for us. Don't let me die.
I'm in channel 6. Okay. I got him very low.
Oh, he's not dead? I thought you killed him.
He's one life.
You died!
How has no one died yet? Help me! Run, run, run!
Why is the assassin running?
Help me! President, help me, please!
Stay away from me!
Stay away from me!
Kill him! Kill him!
Wait, one second.
Guys, this is Cubby in a later time period. I just want to let you know we're trying to get into the drip department. So if you can help us get into the drip department, that'll be a very good help. We had signed up once. I don't think we made it into it because that was a couple weeks ago. But
So he needs
yeah.
Like he needs
Thank you for helping us.
of ammo. So
President, where are you?
Bro, I'm back at spawn.
Wait!
I'm scared. Bro, I've got you ammo.
I found your president.
No, he found me.
Where is he?
I think.
Why is the spider not dying?
No, he died!
Wait, I'll tell you.
Your stuff is right there. Yeah, behind you.
Oh no, run.
I have one more life.
No, you have 0 lives.
I had 2.
I got shotgun.
Now you have 0 lives. He's dead.
Guys, so that's the end of the video.
How do you
the
survive
president
50
of
bullets to
animal.
the head?
I am the... I don't know how to... I'm the president of Animal Company, okay? Do not disrespect me. Okay, so that's a win for...
Spider.
That's a win for us, so thank you for watching.
Spider.
Being our little dinosaurs? I don't know. Peace out.
Yo, I can't for myself.